So here we go. The first one says in triangle WVZ, WVZ, WU equals UZ. Let's make sure that we mark that off. WU is right here and UZ is right here. I like to use those little hash marks to show that we have equal lengths or congruent sides. And the question is, what is the length of WU? I'll put a question mark to show that I need that. So what I have is 10 inches, right? That's the one length I've been given. I have an angle of 60 and another angle of 30. Well, the first thing I can do is say for sure that this angle right here is 90 degrees. I know that's 90 degrees because 30 plus 60 is 90. The three angles of a triangle always have to add up to 180. So we definitely have a 90-degree angle here. And that's great news. If this is a 30, 60, 90 on the one side, we must have another 30, 60, 90 on the right side. And I think we can show that because if you really wanted to prove it, you would prove it using the hypotenuse leg theorem or the two legs of this right triangle. So here we're going to have a 60, here we're going to have another 30. And what we can really see is that this is going to end up being the whole triangle, WVZ. If you were looking at this as one big triangle, it's going to be equilateral because any triangle that has the three angles of 60, 60, 60 is always going to be equilateral. So if this side is 10, well then this side is 10, and then this side is 10. We're almost there with our final answer. The question mark is not for all the way from W to Z, it's just from W to U. That'll be exactly half of our 10. So our final answer is going to be A or 5. Now this is a nice trigonometry question. You might not even think of it as trigonometry because we didn't have to do sine or cosine, but by definition, trigonometry is questions about the measurement of triangles. So this would be a nice introductory question about trig.